Hey everybody, today we're going to learn how to hide notification badges and red dots on your iPhone. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap directly on Notifications. Under the Notification Style section block, browse the application list layout and tap directly on the specific app you want to modify. Locate the Configuration row option explicitly labeled Badges. Tap on the toggle switch right next to Badges to turn it completely off. The operating system user interface framework will instantly strip away the red counter dots from that app icon layout in real time. If you want to hide badges for all apps hiding inside your app library as well, navigate back to the main settings menu layer. Scroll down and tap directly on Home Screen and App Library. Look under the Notification Badges section block, locate the configuration switch labeled Show in App Library, and turn it completely off. And that's it! I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.